Welcome guys, today I'm gonna show you how I made this awesome banner in Photoshop. Let's do it. First you need to create a canvas 1200 pixel wide and 500 pixel height and choose create. Now you got the canvas. We need some background. First I have this a blur background of mustard peel to make it a little bit far from the subject, and I bring the table part. I'm just a rectangular white layer and I put some wood texture into it and some shadows, and then I put our product, 1 liter product and another 5 liter product. The color were looking so unnatural and unrealistic, so I changed their shadows and some soft shadows as well. And then for the bottle I changed the curves adjustment and put some marks onto it. Then I put some color to make it more alloys. I capture it in a dark place, so usually some darks, so I have to adjust the color. Choose some alloys color. This is the color code FFB606, and then put some other dark color around the edges. Adjust levels, and one more time adjust the levels with highlight, and that more look like sun is hitting the right person. And for the 5 liter jar I use the same technique. I put some shadows in it and adjusted to some shadows on jar and some exposure to make the label visible more brightly, and put some label to adjust it more darker, and put some highlights onto where the sun is shining. And I have to put some element to its right and left to make people easier to notice what the foil is about, what is used for cooking basically. So I put some mustard in here, I put some dark shadow below it and some soft shadows to make it more darker, and some background separating layer. I have to put some highlighting points over here, and I also darker it. I also put some shadows onto the mustard ball and some exposure to make it more realistic. And onto the stop I put some stop image and cut it in this shape and put it like that, and pan image, and again I put some shadows highlight to it. I also make the fire look more burning flame. Put some shadows onto the stove and highlight onto the stove where it's alloys, and I have to put alloys over there. And onto the pan I put some shadows and brighten some of the layer to make it more bright, and put some text over here. Get some 5% discount off on every purchase. So I write the text. I put some drop shadows over here, drop shadows 21%. It just basically helps your text to pop up in your post. This is the final image of the promotional post. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. If you love our video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more video content for Photoshop. If you have any idea or question regarding the Photoshop, ask me in comment section. I'll be happy to reply your comment. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye bye.